What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? Hey guys, I want to take some time out to shoot a quick video. I'm doing this because a lot of people have been asking for information and they're asking me to go a little in detail with it. But I'm tired of actually right now long drawn out messages and even doing voice messages. So I wanted to shoot a video and kind of put together a little funnel for it, giving you some instructions. So if you think this is something that you want to do, then definitely check it out. Now, a lot of people are making some good money. So if you see if you see a lot of payment income, things being flashed, that's because people are resellers. That we've actually we found a list of vendors where we're able to tap in and sell a lot of luxury items, regular Nike items, you name it, pretty much, guys. We can actually go out and find vendors that we can go out and sell, buy these at a very, very low price and sell it at a higher price. So this is something that's been going on for a very long time. Walmart, all those guys, anytime that you go to a retail somewhere, someone's able to go and buy something at a very discounted rate, and then they're able to make a profit with it by marking up the margin. For an example, we can take Vapor Maxes for an example, guys. Vapor Maxes are something that we can purchase at a very low price, right? Once we purchase them at a very low price, then we can go and upsell it at a higher price. Some are authentic, some are UAs, for people that don't know what exactly UA is. I'm gonna put up a screenshot of it, so that way you can see and read what that is about. A lot of things that you see on Instagram, I want to be honest, guys, a lot of those shoes that you see on Instagram, a lot of those things that you see on Instagram as far as clothing, things like that, guys, these are people that are buying them at a very low price and they're actually reselling it at a higher price. So if you just want to look good, I have people that just want to look good, man. That's all they want to do. Then they go out and they test out different vendors and they give reviews. So if you're looking for a way to make money on YouTube, you don't want to do a product, just do reviews from vendors and say, hey, these are good shoes, this was a good buy, whatever. So just as a hint to make money, guys, I'm always going to show you how to do that, okay? But literally, we're going to take AirPods for an example. Buy them at a very low price, and then you're able to go and sell them at the right price that they should be, and you're able to make a profit off of that, okay? So if you see these things, it's because I'm putting a lot of this stuff up so you guys could definitely check it out and see exactly what I'm speaking about, because I've been looking into doing this for a very long time beforehand, but I didn't know how to get vendors and where to go and check out a lot of this stuff at. But once I got in this group, pretty much, guys, we've already have over 80 trusted vendors, from actual main stores to individual vendors that just have items on deck. They can just sell you these items at a very low bulk price, or sell it to you at a very low price for each item, and then you're able to go and sell it at a higher price. So guys, this is something that, like I said, I've been looking to get into, but I was able to get into this group for a little bit, as low as $25, and able to get access to this many vendors. And like I said, I didn't want to keep talking about it. I didn't want to keep typing about it in inboxes. So I wanted to shoot this video and let you guys know what it is. So you're gonna get a group. You're gonna have access to the group, and we're gonna give you inside training on how to go out here and sell. If you want to do marketplace, if you want to do YouTube, if you want to sell on other platforms like eBay, we're gonna literally show you how to do that in the group. We're going to show you a lot of people that are making money as well with this, so it is real. And guys, I'm going to leave some examples. So when you click the link here, if you're watching this on YouTube, again, I made a system for it. So if you click the link at the bottom of in the funnel, then it's going to literally tell you exactly what to do, actually, how to sign up. So I'm going to give you the instructions on what to do on the funnel, and then you just click the link to pay. And then once you're paid, then I can add you into the group. Now, you do have to add me on Facebook, so that's why it is instructions on there, because this is a private group. This group cannot be searched or found because of that. They don't want to give up the goods. So pretty much, I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to hook you up. Now, I'm going to wrap this video on up because I'm at my destination, but I just wanted to shoot this video really quick just because I was tired of answering so many questions about it, and so many people are interested in it, man. So if you're looking to become a reseller, or if you just want to, look fly, you want to have things as far as the luxury items, the bed sets, the hair vendors, the eyelashes, I mean, you literally name it, man. We pretty much got vendors for it that can get you this stuff at a very low price, and you can go in and mark it up and make some good money with it, man. Amazon, whatever it is that you're needing. Within a couple days as well, guys, we're going to be also offering lending as well. So if you're looking to join a big ticket program, anything like that, then you're going to be able to get lending. We're going to be able to get you funding, and as long as you have a 650 credit score or higher, we're going to be able to look into getting you some funding there. So real estate, things like that, guys, where I definitely want to make sure. And again, I was in the banking industry, so credit and lending is the number one thing that I was actually doing when I was I was an account manager. So definitely I found something and I love to do it, guys. So definitely we got some other things coming up, so I look forward to working more with everyone as well. Again, this is for the people that don't want to go and be a marketer, as far as, you know, recruiting people and things like that. So that's why I wanted to shoot this video and let you know, hey, you can do something where you can go out, buy items at a low price, and, you know, upsell it at a higher price and make some good money, you know. And just go on the marketplace, go on eBay, Plushmark, you know, all these different places you can go on, and we're going to show you how to do. Okay, so I look forward to working with you. Again, follow the information at the bottom. This is your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.